Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing a reputable voice changer and a virtual audio cable. Do this now so routing works. Once done, make the virtual cable a system device and point your mic into the changer's input. You'll also open the changer and choose a basic preset to begin. Make sure the operating system sees the virtual cable. If it does not, rerun the installer with admin rights. Finally, use a short recording to verify the changer receives your mic and outputs to the virtual cable. Now you perform detailed routing and effect tuning. You set the changer input to your mic and the changer output to the virtual cable, then set the game or streaming app to use that virtual cable as its microphone. Make sure levels aren't clipping and enable a noise gate to remove background hum. Once done, adjust pitch, formant shift, and a light EQ to shape tone. These changes alter perception while preserving clarity. Make small increments and test in-game voice chat after each change. Finish by saving a profile and assigning hotkeys for quick presets. This makes live changes seamless. You should test in a real multiplayer lobby and listen for artifacts, then tweak compression and gain to avoid pumping. If you hear delay, reduce sample rate or enable exclusive mode in your audio device, and make sure no other app is locking the mic. If problems persist, restart audio drivers or reselect devices in both the game and voice changer. That single restart often clears routing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.